In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to use the attachments on the Spear & Jackson Cordless Pressure Cleaner. Included with the pressure cleaner is a range of attachments including a foam sprayer, brush and 3-in-1 nozzle. We recommend using the foam sprayer when washing your car. Ensure that you use a detergent that is suitable for spraying onto your car. Firstly, fill the detergent bottle. Then, attach the bottle to the mount. You can now press the mount against the body of the pressure washer and twist to lock it into place. The brush attachment is great for cleaning a mixture of surfaces, including outdoor furniture and stonework. Install the brush by pushing it against the pressure cleaner and twisting it until it locks into place. Finally, the 3-in-1 nozzle can be adjusted so that it can be used on a variety of surfaces. To fit the 3-in-1 nozzle, align the nozzle with the extension wand. Then, press the nozzle against the extension wand to lock it into place. The soft setting can be used for delicate surfaces. We recommend using the medium setting for washing cars. Lastly, the hard setting for paving stones and bricks. We recommend doing research on the best setting for what you are cleaning. Your Spear & Jackson pressure cleaner is now ready to use.